So we have mostly we don't discuss the C sections part of it because Urvi, not all subjects have C sections, but yes, there will be theory based questions where you'll be given a scenario where you are given a scenario. On the basis of the scenario part of it, you will be having questions. Okay, those questions carry marks of between 15 marks to 30 marks, 15 marks to 30 marks, depending upon which subject are you giving. Okay, so when we are talking about the audit and assurance part of it, it is divided two sections, section A and section B. Okay, section A comprises of 15 questions of 2 marks each. Well, 15 questions of 2 marks each, and even those 15 questions are based on a case-based scenario. Okay, though it is an objective-based questions, but the objective-based questions will be based on a 3 case-based scenarios. Okay, and on the base of those information in that particular case, we have to solve those 5 objective-based questions, MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay, so that means 30 marks you are going to cover through your objective part, not the other way around when it comes to the tax part. Part is what you are covering almost 60 marks for even other subjects as well. And the second section, which is the section B, okay, it comprises of 3 questions, 3 major big scenario based questions, which is subjective in nature, so 2 questions will be of 20 marks each. One big question will be of 30 marks. One question will be of 30 marks, and two will be of 20 marks each. So that means 40 plus 30, 70 marks you will be needing to clear through your discovery part. But the good thing is 30 marks are in your control. 30 marks, that is objective. You need to score as good as between 25 to 30 marks in your objective part, which is very easy. So, and the poor thing is they do not have any kind of a test or mocks for the audit assurance when it comes to Kaplan, because they have already covered in a section C in the exam kit, in your exam kit. So there is an exam kit. When you see, they have already covered scenario based questions as a practice. Scenario based questions as a practice. Hence, they do not have much of an exam. However, we have created certain mocks. So when you go online, okay, we will be including all the things that are the previous years. We'll be converting that into an online based multiple choice questions based. Okay, so when you log into your online exam, okay, so you will be having full marks. We are going to add more of the marks. So when you go for the full marks, you will be having 18 questions. You will be having 18 questions, 15 objective based questions, and 3 subjective based questions. Urvi, you are listening to me? You are able to hear? Hello?
हाँ सर सुनाई दे रहा है।
So, in the objective based questions, you will be having a case. You can see a case part of it, and it's a group based. So, that's the reason it's called group. Okay. So, this case, we are going to give you MCQs part. You can see here MCQs. So, every case will be having same thing. So, it will be a sub questions part of it. So that you will have a question and an answer together. Like you have a multiple choice question, and you have an answer, and you have an explanation part of it. And when it comes to theory questions, because it is subjective in nature, we have added, let's go down to the 16th question. So these are subjective based question. So we have a question. So you guys have to take a pen and paper. Okay, write the entire thing, the answer part of it, and then verify that answer with your explanation part of it. So how far you're close to your explanation. Okay, and once you have given the test, so whenever you are giving the full marks, you have to ensure that you are going to give in one go, because otherwise you are not going to see the result. Why? Because the results are based on the approval. Because whenever it is subjective, it has to approved by the faculty or the staff, the admin staff part, so that they can approve, so that you can see the results of your mock. Okay, because they are subjective papers, what happens is your answers are subjective to the faculty part of it. How much marks? And the same way, every marks that you are going to, everything that you are going to write, you will be knowing the marking scheme we have put in the bottom part of it. Okay, so how much marks you can expect and all. You can see here marking scheme. So आपने कितना लिखा है, कितने marks के लिए हो सकता है, how far you are able to score and grade it, each topic has been mentioned here. Okay, so that way, let's say for an example, if this question is of 30 marks, then 30 marks के लिए आपको कितना लिखना है? You can see here A, B, C, D, 4 questions are distributed in 30 marks. Okay, one question 6 marks. 6 marks में अगर है तो आपने कितना लिखा है तो आपको 6 marks मिलेगा. तो marking में जो है for 6 marks, these are the three things you need to write. One is you need to talk about the narrative notes, questionnaire and flow charts. अगर आप लिखते हो तो you are targeting 6 marks part of it. Okay, so definitely they are not going to give you the full marks, but you know what are the things that you need to write to get the maximum out of those marks. Okay, so वैसा आपको पूरा marks रहेगा. So and her some chapter that we did, every chapter that we did, we have covered those three questions part of it. So when you're doing the exam kit, okay, when you're doing the, there's the exam kit that we have. When you're doing the exam kit, ये भी टैक्स में क्या है? So in case if it is a tax, almost 60 marks are objective. 60 marks, 60 marks are objective, and 30 marks are 40 marks are subjective. Whereas auditing, 30 marks are objective and 60 marks are subjective. So you have to keep in mind those things, and you have to make the best out of the marking system. Okay. So here, if you see here, they have given almost section B. All these things are, every topic they have given theory based questions. You can see every topic they have given theory based questions, topic wise. This is section B questions. So section B means scenario based, theory wali questions. Topic wise they have given the questions part of it. Okay, and these are the years that they are, all these things they are taken from the previous years only. All these things are previous year. That means these are the questions that have come in the previous year. So same thing we are doing. Previous year के जो भी question papers हैं, full mocks we are talking about. So all the previous year question papers we are converting into an online mock. Okay. तो अभी आपको जो दिख रहा है ना, you can see here. So we have included all the previous year papers with the key part of it, question paper and answer. So everything will be converted into full mocks, so that you will be giving in a computer based environment part, and you can judge where do you stand when it comes to the objective, and where do you stand when in the subjective marking scheme. Okay. Any doubts so far, Urvi? The same applies for other subjects also when it comes to skill level. So you have to ensure that,
टैक्स का
हाँ बोलो.
अपलोड किया है,
हाँ
टैक्स का अपलोड किया है.
हाँ, टैक्स का हम लोग ने अपलोड किया, आपको आज शाम को दिख जाएगा. दे आर गोइंग टू पुश, आज शाम को आपको 3 पेपर दिखेंगे आपको. ठीक है.
ओके.
हाँ या, सो वंस वी पुश इट, you will be able to see those papers part of it. So all the auditing के हो, tax के हो, but tax क्योंकि tax we are going to add it, you will not have much of the papers, but yes, we will be having 4 to 5 marks of the last 2 years के. Why? Because जो tax के जो rates जो है वो change होते रहते हैं. We have to ensure it is updated on a regular basis. Whereas theory वाले subjects जैसे F5 से लेके बाकी जो subjects जो हैं, they do not change. So hence you will be finding more practice papers in the non-practical subjects like audit assurance or performance management or financial reporting or financial management part. So all those things we'll be having more practice papers or full marks than compared to the tax part. But yes, in the tax you'll be finding more of a practice part of it, more of a practice exercises or practice kits. Okay, so so in the section 15 that we have in the chapter, that is completely of your section BJ Sahi. So you have a question and this thing, like this question is based on confidentiality. So they have given a marking. Client confidentiality underpins the relation between chartered certified accountants in practice and their clients. It is a core element of ACC's code of ethics. So, but in the exam, they do not have any direct questions. They are always you need to address these questions in perspective of the client. Okay, तो ये सब direct questions आपको दिए हैं इसलिए so that you can relate these things in the actual life scenario. So you have a question as well as you have answers over here. So go through that. जैसे अपन ने हर चैप्टर में किए हैं वैसा गो थ्रू करके देन यू सी द आंसर्स. ओके, एंड वंस यू गिव द आंसर्स बिकॉज यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू राइट द आंसर्स. पहले जो भी अपन ने किए हैं, ओके, यू शुड read those questions and write those answers by your hand and then start attempting your actual papers by because आपको प्रॉपर प्लेन पेपर पे आपको लिखने पड़ेंगे या फिर वर्ड में टाइप करके आपको भेजना पड़ेगा वो आंसर्स सो दैट वी कैन इवैल्यूएट एंड सबमिट बिकॉज वंस यू सबमिटेड your paper we are going to see those answers just like what you're seeing here and then once we approve it we'll be marking you कि कितना आना चाहिए and on the basis of the marking schemes and then you'll know where do you stand, how good you can perform because अपने को comfortably you should be able to achieve 60 to 70. That should be the goal, and with the kind of practice sets we are going to add you can easily achieve part of it. Okay, because auditations में we are targeting around 7 to 10 mark papers आपको दें all the theory subjects में you will have 7 to 10 but tax में you will have only 4 to 5. Okay, but you'll have more of practice tests, so that way. Okay, so this is just the thing how purpose of this session is to know how to target the section B type of questions. तो यहाँ पे दिया है, let's see the exam kit एक okay, so this is how you'll be having like a exam specific exam like you'll have section A. So same ऐसा ही रहेगा when you go to section A. So let's take for an example. So when you log in, let's say login करते हैं. पूर्वी आपका मेल दे दो मुझे.
So GAJ Gajra Urvi @gmail 841 @gmail 8418.
पासवर्ड दूसरा रखता है. What is your password? urvi@123. नहीं. What is your password, Urvi?
मिनट मैं चेक करके बताती हूँ.
हाँ, या फिर शैलेंद्र आप मुझे बता दो वरना.
Shailendra, SHAA, SHAI.
शैलेंद्र, ओके. शैलेंद्र
The Shinde, SH2499 @gmail.com. Shailendra @123.
एस कैपिटल है क्या?
हाँ, S capital है.
@
123.
अच्छा, ऑलरेडी आप 3 डिवाइसेस में हो. आप 3 में ऑलरेडी हो ना. रुको.
चलो फटाफट कर देता हूँ.
नहीं, यहाँ पे हो जाए. आप 3 में हो. एक में लॉग आउट कर दो. इनकरेक्ट बोल रहा है. शैलेंद्र @123. नहीं.
सब हो गया.
शिंदे 8
2499. 2499.
SHAILENDRA. शैलेंद्र @123. नहीं, आपको पासवर्ड में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. शैलेंद्र @123. ये शैलेंद्र 123 सर. नहीं, इनकरेक्ट बोल रहा है. Yes, रुको. ठीक है, ये किसी दूसरे स्टूडेंट का है, सतबीर करके, ठीक है। सो दिस गाय इज फ्रॉम फॉर डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम। सो जब आप यहाँ पे जाते हो, ओके, सो यू विल सी द मॉक्स। Okay, so once you give the mocks part of it, you are able to see the solutions. So that has to be approved because it is subjective paper. You have to get it approved. So probably Sumita या kind of like will check it and then वो आपको अप्रूव कर देगी once you give submit the paper automatically. तो यहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा टोटल कितने क्वेश्चन आपने अटेम्प्ट किए हैं। ओके, जैसे टोटल 1 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया है, ये मॉक था। करेक्ट कितने हैं, इनकरेक्ट कितने हैं, हाउ मेनी यू स्किप्ड, okay, and her question ka you will know ki what you answered and what is the right answer. Okay, so what you have answered and what is the right answer part of it. So accordingly, your what was your answer, what is the correct answer, so that way आपने अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया तो वो दिखाएगा आपने अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया। ओके, एंड सेम विद सब्जेक्टिव एंड हाउ मच मार्क्स यू हैव स्कोर्ड। यहाँ पे वो मार्किंग स्कीम भी आपके एग्जाम के हिसाब से ही है। दिस इज थियरी मार्क्स, so that after 15 questions automatically you'll know कि theory वाले questions के marks कैसे हैं। Okay, so you have to do more of a practice of this sort on a regular basis so that in the exam you will not have any new things. Okay, so वैसे आपके यहाँ पे 3 marks है। So the moment you say start quiz, you will be able to start the quiz again. यहाँ पे you can see start quiz कैसे दिखेगा, it will have the instruction part. The moment I say start, then your exam starts. Okay, these are आप click करोगे तो you will see the case. Once you understand the case and you do the calculation, you normally mark it. You can see here you have questions on here and review next यहाँ पे रहेगा and you submit it and you will have your answer part of it. Okay, so in case you want to re-attempt, you can clear response and again attempt the right ones. Okay, you can move the questions and all. Okay, but whenever giving the exam, so ensure that you are giving the entire thing. You are giving the entire exam at one go, not in installments part of it. That you have to keep in mind. And you can give the same paper n number of times. Okay, so you have to repeat the papers as many times as you can to get the command on consistency and accuracy after few days or weeks. So that way you have a good 4 months because everyone is giving audit paper in June. Okay, so fine, do the practice. So मैं